Hey, I'm Dr. Brian McKay, Core Health in Darien, and I want to talk to you today about shoulder pain. There's a lot of misunderstandings about what actually causes shoulder pain, so by clearing it up and showing you a really dynamic way of treating shoulder pain, I think you'll have a better understanding. First, we're going to start with the trapeze. The trap is really involved much more with stress, and it really doesn't have as much to do with shoulder pain as you would think. It's a big, broad muscle that goes from the neck all the way down to your middle back. The deltoid muscle shown on your left is a big player with shoulder pain, especially because it has three heads and all different actions. The deltoid is involved with moving your arm away from your body, basically. The supraspinatus is about internally rotating, lifting the arm. Infraspinatus externally rotates your arm, and the teres minor is a small muscle helps rotate your arm. Here you see the teres major, which is involved in helping latissimus dorsi, another major muscle group concerned with shoulder movement. These are all big players in shoulder pain. The subscapularis is important because it internally rotates the head of the humerus, but also is the only anterior muscle group in the shoulder. It's in the front of your scapula. Let's show you what Shockwave for shoulder pain can do. It breaks up muscle spasms and adhesions. Adhesions are when muscles form like scar tissue on a minor level in scar tissue. But this acts to cause you pain because it restricts motion. By applying the gentle shock, the pulse radial shock wave at these areas, we can relieve the tension in the shoulder much faster and much more complete. The process of shockwave therapy will also stimulate angiogenesis, which is very important because it stimulates blood flow. The more blood flow you have going to a healed area. So if you have a small tear that's not doesn't need surgical repair, shockwave is the single most effective way for you to get relief of your shoulder pain. It's very fast, it's very effective, and the results are outstanding. Much better than going for a cortisone shot, Advil, Aleve, even muscle relaxers. I want you to stay tuned. It's a very special offer where you can come in and actually try Shockwave Therapy. Thanks a lot, Dr. Brian McKay, Core Health in Darien.
Thanks for watching. I hope that you've learned some valuable information. I want to share with you a very special offer from Dr. McKay. It is really simple. All you need to do is click the special offer tab. You will go to our homepage and you will see me pop up with all of the details. I'm certain you're going to like what you hear. So click the special offer tab and look for me on the homepage. You'll be glad you did. Thanks.